Hi everyone. What is the difference between talent and skill? See, by birth, if we acquire certain qualities, then it is called talent. And if we learn something by with our hard work, and then we acquire it, then it is called skill. Here we can quote the example of a rabbit. What is rabbit known for? Rabbit is known for its jumping. Once, rabbit was admitted in a school. In that school, all activities were being taught. And rabbit used to get very good marks in jumping, but failed in swimming. So, a tutor was appointed for the rabbit to teach swimming. Tutor took a lot of time to teach it swimming, but he was not successful. Rabbit also tried its best to learn swimming, but it was not successful. Later, again when test was conducted, rabbit this time failed both in swimming and also in jumping. What's the reason behind it? Every bird, every animal, every human being is talented in his or her own way. Instead of striving for other aspects which we do not know anything about, it is better to brush up our own talents so that we can be successful in our lives. And some have very good presence of mind. Based on that presence of mind, let us have an interesting story. Let us know this story. See here, what do you see here? One big banyan tree, an eagle, and a sparrow. What is eagle known for? It can fly to far off distances, great distances. So it is talented in its flight. And now you can see sparrow also. Sparrow can also fly, but it can fly only to certain distances. Sometimes our talents may develop ego in us. Based on that, we proudly speak of our talents and then try to underestimate others and always try to shun them. Similarly, here that eagle, which is shown in the picture, used to make fun of all other birds by saying, "Ha ha ha, I can go to far off distances, far off heights, but you birds can't fly." Every day, that eagle was making fun of all other birds. Then, a clever sparrow wanted to teach it a lesson by using its presence of mind. The sparrow asked the eagle, "Do you think you are so great?" Then eagle said very proudly, "Of course I am. Come on, whoever wants to make challenge with me," said the eagle. Then the sparrow said, "Okay, you can see a banyan tree there." "Of course I can. What can we do?" asked the eagle. The sparrow very confidently challenged with that eagle, "Let us take a flight. We have to fly through the banyan tree and should land," said the sparrow. "What? Is it a big challenge?" "Okay. Okay, let's start." Saying so, both of them started their flight. See, these banyan trees have aerial roots, right? So, when the eagle was flying through that banyan tree, because of those aerial roots, its feathers got stuck into the roots and it fell down. On the other hand, the sparrow, being small, could fly through those aerial roots and could successfully land and could win over the great eagle. Thus, this story reveals, in spite of having talents, we must know how to make use of our talents in a better way. We need to have good presence of mind too. We should not feel proud of ourselves. We should not underestimate the cleverness or talents or whatever we call in others. Then only we can achieve success in our lives.